Good morning, everyone. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
We are the team. Actually, we have opened the video. I'm Dr. Praveena, and we have our president Amudini and Sai Swara Madhuri and Sneha, who are the pillar of support for all these programs. They are managing almost all the events. They are here with us, and now we can start the intercollege. Over to Sri Sai Swara.
Everyone. A very good morning to one and all present here. Every safe choice we make is an investment into spending more quality time with our loved ones or those things that make our lives more meaningful. Safety first is safety always. Today, I, Sai Swaramaduri, Secretary of Youth Red Cross Ethiraj College for Women, take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to Safety First, Road Safety and Drug Abuse Awareness Program. I extend my warm welcome to Dr. J. Praveena Ma'am, YRC Program Officer and Assistant Professor, Department of English, Ethiraj College for Women, who has always been a constant pillar of support throughout our events. I also welcome my lovely committee members, President Amudini and Treasurer Sneha. Hearty welcome to Mr. Murthy sir, who has taken his time to be a part of the inaugural ceremony. Last but not the least, I also welcome all the students from other colleges who have taken part in enrolling themselves in all the competitions. I also welcome my fellow Ethiraj Vayasians who have always stand with us in achieving our goals. So let us begin the event. I invite Amudini, President of Vayasi, to introduce the speaker of the day.
Thank you, Saswara. There is a growing need to address the issue of road safety and drug abuse among today's youth. As a special guest, we have Mr. Murthy T with us here today. Mr. Murthy did his MCom from Andhra University and is presently an accounts officer at Hindustan Unilever Limited with 30 years of experience.
There is a small technical glitch. Kindly be with us. We will rectify it.
Sorry. He is a rank holder in BCom with a 99% score in statistics. Mr. Murthy has a profound knowledge in several social issues and has been a guest lecturer in several events. Thank you for gracing us with your presence today, sir. I now kindly request our guest, Mr. Murthy, to address the gathering.
We welcome you, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. Thank you very much to Youth Red Cross Club of Ethiraj College for this opportunity to talk about safety first, road safety, and drug abuse awareness. Thanks to Dr. J. Praveena Madam for inviting me to this occasion. Thank you. Safety is a very important aspect to our lives, especially road safety. We are talking about today is a very, very important element of our day-to-day life. Okay, every human being has to follow the road safety rules always. Most of the using two-wheelers as well as mobiles, it is a common nowadays. Using two-wheeler, four-wheeler, using mobile, it is a common thing. But we have to follow a lot of precautions while going on the road. So today we are talking about the road safety. So while going to road on two-wheelers or four-wheelers, we have to follow some rules. Okay, I try to explain some of the important elements. Whenever you are using any vehicle, either two-wheeler or four-wheeler, the first foremost important thing you should have the driving license to use the vehicle. My request, don't use any vehicle without having the proper license to use. Okay. Second point, if license is there, when you are using the vehicle should have some systems. So that means some documents you have to carry while going to a vehicle. That is the RTO as we designed. What are the documents are required to keep in the vehicle while going to the road? Most of the thing, license, insurance, RTO certificate, road safety certificate, pollution certificate. These are some of the elements. They should carry all the things while you are driving to the vehicle. Third thing, helmet or seat belt. If it is a two-wheeler, helmet is compulsory. I request all of you, don't travel two-wheeler, don't drive the two-wheeler without having helmet. Helmet is one of the important thing. Like that, if it is a four-wheeler, seat belt is the compulsory. Okay. Always follow motor on, mobile off. Vice versa. Mobile on, motor should be off. This is one of the important elements while driving to the vehicle, any vehicle, either two-wheeler or four-wheeler. We have to follow the road rules. Everyone has to know the signals. Signal is one of the important. Everything there is a signals are available. Lot of signals are there on the road. You have to follow all the signals. Don't jump any signals. First of all, there is a safety issue as well as the control by the police team. The traffic police will catch you. He will penalize unnecessary things. So I request everyone to follow the road rules. There are some of the important signals, mandatory signals, informatory signals. All things are there. Every student or everyone who is driving the vehicles should aware all the road rules. Okay. Mobile. Don't use mobile while going to the vehicle. If it is an important call, everyone should aware, but you should stop the vehicle in a left side, which is the convenient to you, and stop the engine, attend the mobile. Otherwise, you take the missed call and call them after some time. You inform, this is I'm going to college, very important. I will call you after some time. Like that, you can communicate to the concerned person. I'm not saying don't use the mobile. You can use the mobile, but there is a system. There is a rules. We have to follow the rules while safety is important. Okay. Speed. Speed is very important. Speed thrills, but kills. So speed is important, but don't go speed. As per the road rules, every vehicle should go this much of speed. If emergency cases, some vehicles are going very fast, but two-wheeler, four-wheeler, when you are using, you should follow the speed limit. What are the specifications given by the road safety? Okay. These are the preliminary elements to follow the road safety rules. Speed limit. And when you are going by vehicle on road, you will get the beep sound of ambulance. Everyone aware what is the ambulance? No need of telling about the ambulance. When you hear that ambulance sound, you should come left side of the road. Give way to the ambulance, because ambulance carry very important things. Important patient will go. That is the reason ambulance given a special permission to go any route. So whenever you got any sound of ambulance backside of you, please come to left side. Provide the facility to ambulance go fast. Okay. This is about some of the road safety things. Second point of this today is the drug abuse awareness. Okay. Drug abuse awareness. Nowadays, every youth attracting the drugs because of the movies or maybe social media, Facebook, films, all these things. People attract the drugs. Drugs kills the human beings. So everyone aware, drugs should not use. Okay. Every country, youth population is more. So if youth following the systems, precautions, country will develop, youth will develop, parents will happy. So you should not take any drugs. Okay. Health is important. If you have drug, health will be spoiled, money will spoil, your career will spoil. Nowadays, lot of opportunities given to all students to come up their lives. Every human being have inherent talents. So I request all youth, use your inherent talents on education, come up into life, be a good son or daughter to your parents. Okay, don't use any drugs. Take care, take yoga. Before concluding, ABC analysis, you have to follow ABC analysis. What is ABC? Always be careful. Okay, road safety, drug awareness, these are the one or two important elements of youth. So I'm request all youth to follow the systems, follow the road rules, be safe, be a proud student, be a proud children of your parents. It will help you as well as college, parents, country, to the nation. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much to all team to providing this opportunity to talk about this subject. Thank you to all.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very privileged to have you here. And with a short notice, you have come here and you have graced the occasion. And as a coordinator for this YRC program, I would like to address my dear students who have participated in this intercollegiate program. The thing which I would like to share with you all is I have read in quotations about road safety that alert today, alive tomorrow. So alert today, alive tomorrow. When I say this, many of the youngsters will say, why to be alive? Okay, many of the students are having this thought that why to be alive? Now, that is what is the thing which every youngster is having that in their mind. But actually, life is not with your present. Okay, you cannot predict your life with your present life. Life has got umpteen opportunities and happiness which you have to get in your life. So always be alert for a life tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to be alive tomorrow, what all you have to do now is one part is road safety. When you're driving, when you're doing everything, always think that there is a person to care for you. There is always a person who is waiting for you. If not now, one day there will be a person waiting for you. Okay, in home front, there will be some person waiting for you. So always think about it and do what is needful. And the next thing of our concern that is in our awareness program is drug abuse. And another quote which I have read, I would like to read is, courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength. Once again, I read it. Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength. So the meaning is, what is meant by courage? That is what I have told here. Drug abuse, okay, and the taking in of drugs will kill your health. So in order to avoid it, you should be courageous enough to outcome all those cravings and everything. So how to come out of that? You need courage. It is that decision that you have to come out of it, which is courage. But that is not at all enough. You should always think that you should go on with that decision. So that is what is called as courage. It is not the decision alone. It is how you take the decision into your life. So that is what is called as courage. So drug abuse is the main thing where you need courage. Nowadays, people who are confident, who are courageous, they are showing all these attitude in committing suicides and all those things. The person who will commit suicide is a person who is so courageous. Okay, that is not a trivial task. It is only through confidence, only through courage we can do the attempt of suicide or else taking your life through suicide. The same courage when that person puts into to avoid some problems in his life, valuing his life, then that would be so productive. Recently, I saw one poster where a person has created his own kidney transplantation machine so that to keep his kidney alive, because he cannot go to the hospital every day to make himself alive. So for that, he has his own savings, and he has collected from his kith and kin And that is where he has produced a transplantation service for kidney, and he was using it only for himself, so that he wants to be alive. When you see that picture, you will know that person is his health has got deteriorated, but at the same time he wants to be alive. Life is so beautiful, girls. Life is so beautiful. So always think that we will not have pleasantries, and always we will have a happy moments in our life, then only our life is fruitful. No, only with problems we can feel that what is our courage, what is our strength, what is our weakness, and everything we will understand only through sadness. And the happiness is the test which God gives you to make yourself understand about yourself. So always life is about happiness, always life is about sadness. Both will come and visit you often. It is not that one thing will last forever. Happiness will not last forever, and sadness will not last forever. It is like how the winter season comes, summer season comes, spring season comes, and autumn season comes. It is more like happiness, sadness, sadness, happiness, happiness, sadness. It will be coming and going. So when you understand this basic principle, you will understand and you will cherish life like anything. So God has given you a wonderful life to be happy, and do enjoy it with the awareness called road safety and the drug abuse. Nowadays in Chennai, I have heard many of them are using weeds and some other thing, and to spoil their health, to avoid something, love failures and all those things, to forget this and that. No. Okay, we have other things to make ourselves forget whom we love. We can take some other choices. We can travel. We can go for places. We can explore things. If one thing goes wrong, don't go for the worse option. You can go for the better option, so that that person can crave why we have missed that person. Okay, so this is how we have to make the other person envy our life. Okay, so courage is very, very important to make yourself get rid of this drug abuse and everything. So that is what is the essence of this awareness program. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Kindly participate in the competitions whichever we have posted, and the results will be announced so soon, and we have got judges for each and every event. When we receive the announcement, we will announce it by tomorrow. That is in our valedictory function. We will announce the prize winners for our competitions. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion by participating and enrolling yourself in this competition, girls. Thank you so much, boys and girls, and we are very happy to have you all here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your warm words. This is literally a key start to our event. I now invite Sneha, Treasurer of YRC, to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. There's a famous saying by T.S. Eliot. Every moment is a fresh beginning. This moment is the very beginning of our event, Safety First. I once again thank Timothy sir for your valuable words and advice. So the floor is open. All the students can showcase your talents, and all the best for each and everyone participating. May the best win. Thank you.
Girls and boys who are here in this Google Meet, do you have any doubts so that we can clarify it? We are anyway there in the WhatsApp, but at the same time, if you have any doubts, you can clarify it. Where is Amudini Sai?
I don't know, ma'am. Probably network issues.
Okay. Boys and girls, do you have any doubts regarding the competitions here? You can ask it now. We have individual judges for each and every event. As they announce the prize winners, it will not be announced immediately. Only when you all participate in the valedictory function, you will come to know the prize winners of each and every competitions. We would be very happy when you all come and participate in the event. Okay? So the silence makes me to understand that there is no doubt. Hope we are very much clear with WhatsApp contacts. Yes. Bravo team. I think we are doing our responsibilities and duties perfectly, really well, and that's where there is no queries. With this, we end the session. I hope our inaugural has met what you all need. And with this enthusiasm, kindly participate in the competitions whichever we have posted, and be clear with the rules and regulations. Kindly don't try to manipulate it. And by 5 o'clock, we all will meet you with the same link for the presentation. If ever anybody wants to participate in it, you can participate, but the enrolled students, that is 17 members have enrolled, only those students can present. But on the spot, okay, registration, if you want to do, you can do it, but we need slides. Okay, but if you want to view that presentation very well, you can come into the link and you can watch it. The girls and boys who are ready for the presentation, post your slides in the Google Classroom so that we can confirm that these students will come. Okay, and we can take the WhatsApp number or else the phone numbers, whatever you have given, and we can call you at that time so that you can be ready for the presentation. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for gracing this occasion. Thank you.